Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about the top 5 fitness jobs in the world. People who love fitness always believe that there is nothing more beautiful and crazy than making use of a passion for fitness and healthy life. To them, fitness and perfect health attract and motivates a lot. Here are the top 5 fitness jobs in the world. 1. Athletic trainer. Athletic trainers are those who work with the athletics and guide them. They help them in preventing, diagnosing and treatment the injuries. Many times they are employed by the sportsperson. They are basically trained to provide the athletes with emergency care like providing bandages, stresses, tapes and the first aid. Basically the trainer help in the time of need when the physicians are not present. In most of the case the athletic trainer set the schedule for exercising for the athletics. For those who love guiding others regarding fitness, this one is the best and enjoyable job. 2. Fitness trainer. The fitness trainer commonly work in gyms, fitness centers and health clubs. The fitness trainer needs to be in excellent shape as he is the one who has to guide others regarding body and shape. If he himself will be not in good shape and fit, then how will he be able to gain trust of others? The fitness trainer mostly take classes and lead the groups for offering guidance. This is a great job for those who themselves love fitness and also at the same time likes to tell others about the fitness, guides them about what is right and wrong. In short, he has to be a teacher as well as motivator. 3. Recreational therapist. Recreational therapists are those who make use of exercise to treat the patients and cure them who are sick, disabled or injured. For instance, the recreational therapist might work with those who have some experience being involved in the accident so as to help them regain confidence in themselves and their potential. 4. Dietitian. Exercise is one part to lead a healthy life, but to live a complete fit and healthy life one also need to take care of the food one eats. Eating a balanced and healthy food is another one element to stay fit. What to eat and what should to avoid it can be now with the help of a dietitian. 5. Occupational therapist. The occupational therapist help people recover from the injuries and the illness which has impacted them from working again in a better manner. The therapist uses different exercises and various other techniques to assist patients to regain their fitness and strength. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.